Hey guys, Illa here. Welcome to this video. This is day number 6 of the series in building a 10K per month online business from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. Now today we're going to be talking about the simple sales process to convert people into buyers, okay? People who will actually pay you money for the service that it is that you are selling. In the last few days, the last 5 days, we've talked a lot about brainstorming the type of service that you're looking to sell. We've also talked about researching the avatar, the who, that you're looking to sell to, and we've also talked about creating that irresistible offer. So you would have had a lot of homework, and if you're keeping up, then at this point you should know exactly what service you are looking to provide, what offer you have, and who it is you're looking to sell to. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the simple sales process to convert people, your avatar, into buyers, okay? So this is going to be a really important video when it actually comes to fattening your wallet, which is what we're all here for. Okay, now in this video, I want to just quickly talk about something important, and that is this idea of just hiding behind your computer and pressing a button and having money just magically appear in your bank account. You know, this can definitely happen, but when you're just starting out, it's not very realistic, and honestly, it's not the fastest path to cash. So I'm all about trying to teach you what will actually work and what is the fastest path to cash, and that is not trying to create something where you can just hide behind your computer because you're a bit afraid to actually get out there and speak with real human beings and press a button and make money appear. When it comes to selling online, understand it is real people that you are selling to. You're not selling to ones and zeros inside of a Facebook ads dashboard. You're actually selling your service to real human beings, okay? Once you understand you are actually selling your service to a real person, whether they are local or on the other side of the world, they are a real person, okay? So once you understand that, this is something I really need you to understand too, and that is that conversations equals conversions. So when you are starting out, something important to really understand and really keep in the forefront of your mind is that conversations equals conversions. You are a real person, I'm a real person, and we are selling and promoting our services to real people. I think a lot of the time when people try and start an online business, they forget about that and they just think about trying to make money. But it's not so much about making money. Money is just a byproduct of when you offer something valuable to somebody else, an exchange happens, and money is a byproduct of the value that you provide somebody else. Okay, so something that really important to remember moving forward is conversations equals conversions. The more conversations you have, the more likely you are to sell your service to a person and actually make some money, okay? Now I want to quickly go through my sales processes, the 3 sales processes that I would recommend using if you are just starting out with this. And this will be the fastest way for you to really sell your service and start making some money. The first one, do number 1 here. The first one is to have a conversation. The first one here, the first step of this sales process is to just have a conversation and to converse with your avatars. That might be going out and finding these people online in Facebook groups. We talked about researching your avatar, finding out where they are online and getting in front of them, speaking to them, reaching out, even if it's direct messaging them. Okay, starting a conversation with your avatar. And then the next step in this sales process, this is a very simple sales process, is just saying, hey, you know, we've had quite a bit of a discussion. I've learned a little bit about you. You've learned a little bit about me. Hopefully I've given you some free tips, some free advice to help you. I've got this valuable service. Would you like to schedule a call where I can talk with you about it? So what this sales process is a conversation where you can just say, hey, let's have a little bit of a chat online. I'll send you a link to something like Zoom. That's what I use. I use Zoom. Let's have a quick Zoom call. 15 minutes, half an hour, and on this call, you're going to be helping them understand they're a real person with real problems. You're just going to have a friendly chat help them out, and then towards the end of that chat, say to them, I hear you've got all of these problems. I have this service that can actually help you. Would you like to hear about it? And if they say, yeah, sure, you've already helped me out a little bit, given me some free advice, some free value, I'd be happy to hear what it is you've got to offer. And then happy days, you can actually just offer them your service. Say, yeah, I can help you build your sales funnel, or with your copywriting, or whatever service it is that you're promoting. It's just $300, and hopefully then you will close some sales. Okay, if you get on 3 calls a day, there's probably a good chance that you can close one of those sales and make $300. Boom, simple sales process. Have a chat, friendly chat, person to person, talking to a real human, getting on the phone with them, understanding what problems they have, helping them out a little bit for free, and then saying, would you like to hear about this service I have? It's if they say yes, awesome. Okay, always ask. Okay, don't just go in and pitch them hard. Just say, hey, I've got this service. Would you like to hear about it? How I can actually help you a little bit more? And they might say yes. And if they do, cool, you can close them, okay? And because you've provided them with this free value, you've actually got to know them, there's a good chance you can close them. Let's talk now about the second sales process. And this one also starts with a conversation, funny enough. Okay, this also starts with a conversation, but this time will actually say, hey, we're having a bit of a chat on Facebook Messenger, for example. We're having a bit of a chat on Facebook Messenger. I've got this cool service that I'd be happy to tell you a little bit more about. Would you like to come and check out my sales page? Okay, and this sales page will have more of a description about your service as a whole. So say you're offering funnel design or website design, you can hopefully, bring them to a sales page, and on this sales page, maybe you can show off some of your skills, some of your past work, some testimonials, if you have any testimonials from prior clients. Okay, you can definitely use this sales process if you don't have any testimonials or anything, but a sales page is a really good way to just kind of display. It's like a resume, right? Like a resume. Actually show people what you're capable of, okay, and present your offer and what it is you offer a little bit more professionally, okay, with a sales page. Make it very clear what it is they're actually getting, and at the bottom of this sales page there can be a button, and that button can link to, hey, schedule a call, okay, and then this is the call, and then after that, you close them for $300. So I'll run through this one again with you. We're having a conversation with a real person on something like Messenger, talking with them about their problems, about what it is they're struggling with, just getting to know them, then saying, hey, would you like to come check out this sales page that I have, where you can learn a bit more about what it is I do. If they see that, if they're impressed by that, if they feel like you are the right person to help them, then they'll schedule a call with you, and you'll be on the call, exact same as before, help them out, provide free value. At the end of the call, say, hey, would you like to hear about this service I have that can help you? If they say yes, close them, perfect, $300. The last one, and this is the more advanced one, and if you're finding this valuable, guys, and you want some help with this, go to EliRichardsonMentoring.com. We can help you get all of this set up, really help you understand your price point, what it is you're offering, and exactly how to position that offer and sell that offer so you can start making some sales. Now, the third one is more if you are scaling, okay? Or if you are running paid traffic. And this one is where you have an ad. Now, this ad could be Facebook ad, YouTube ad, doesn't really matter. It's a paid ad where you are paying money to put a message in front of people. You are then sending them to a sales page which then has a button on it. And this sales page is the exact same sales page as this one. And you are then sending them to schedule a call with you. And then hopefully you are closing them on the call. And, oh gosh. And then you're making $300. Okay, so that is the third sales process. And there are some more variations of this, But this is it basically, and if you're just starting out, I definitely would recommend not starting with paid traffic, actually finding out where your avatar exists online, getting in front of them, reaching out to them, having real discussions with them, and then, either pushing them to a Zoom call, pushing them to a sales page, and getting on the phone with these people. That is the biggest thing. It's not about hiding behind your computer and trying to make money without anybody seeing your face. Perfect example, what am I doing right now? This is a free traffic strategy where I am providing you with value and I'm saying, hey, you want some extra help? Come and schedule a call, EliRichardsonMentoring.com. We'd be happy to help you out. All right, it's the exact same stuff, guys. This is exactly what I'm doing. This is exactly what works. And when you get to the point where you want to start scaling it up, you can start running paid traffic. These are some great options. This option doesn't really cost any money at all. Conversation's free. You can get on a free Zoom call and start closing people. You want to start running them to sales pages. Well, that might cost you a little bit of money for that sales page software, that landing page software. And this last one, a little bit more advanced. But that's really it, guys. They are the 3 simple sales processes that I recommend you use. The key here is actually having conversations and understanding that the more conversations you can have, the more conversions you can get and the more money you can make overall. Now, if you want any help at all building this sales process out for yourself, if you want any help at all how to position your offer, how to sell your offer, and how to get in front of your audience, your avatar in the right way to position yourself as an authority, even if you don't have any prior experience, we can help you with that. And all you have to do to get help, get one-on-one help, a personal game plan with me and my team to help you actually build your business, go to Eli Richardson Mentoring right now and schedule a call. We'd love to have a chat with you, hear about what ideas you have in terms of what service, what offer you're looking to build. If you don't even have the first clue, we'd love to have a chat with you, and I'm sure we can put you on the right track when it comes to what service you can provide. All you have to do is go to Eli Richardson Mentoring right now and schedule a call. And that's it from me, guys. That's it, the simple sales processes to turning people into buyers, and I'll see you in tomorrow's training. Talk to you later. Bye.